Hi, this is MLB and I'm making unboxing for 4 packages that came in the mail today. Here we go. The first one. I squashed it a little. So we got the Wisconsin Timber Rattlers minor league team, size 8, with the snake and black and gold, red R, black air holes, black button, black New Era flag, white Batterman, MILB sticker on the underbill, black under, black sweat, genuine merch, MILB genuine merch, New Era size 8. Let's try it on. Fits nicely. That's that one. Next package. So we got the 2001 World Series Arizona Diamondbacks hat with the, what is it, bronze and black and purple snake with the blue surroundings. You got no New Era flag, indented white Batterman, gray under with the sticker, white sweat, Cooperstown, New Era, and size 8. Hold on. Let's combo it up. We got the jersey, the Diamondbacks jersey to match, but not, it doesn't say 2001 World Series, but it says Diamondbacks on it. So it fits nicely. Turn to the side. Got the patch, 2001 World Series patch. Give it a twirl. You got that one. There's that one. And now the last 2 packages. Here we go with the third. Alright, so the first UMD is Swordfish UMD movie PSP. You got the front, you got the back, no dividing. That's that one. Next one is The Matrix with Keanu Reeves and Lawrence Fishburne. Here's the front. Here's the back. Here, no dividing. That's that one. And the last package. Hold on a second. My scissors just fell apart. And then the last UMD is Bourne Supremacy. Here's the front. Here's the back. No dividing on this one either. And that has been my unboxing for 2 hats and 3 UMDs. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.